Moving on to the Ebola outbreak in West Africa, aid organizations fighting to contain the disease in the region have appealed for urgent international assistance. The agencies claim that if not stopped, the Ebola virus could very well threaten peace and security beyond the borders of Africa, and they're calling for a stronger global approach before it's too late. Our Connie Kim has the details.
Aid organizations battling to contain the worst ever outbreak of Ebola have issued separate but very similar demands. They say international intervention is needed to stem the spread of the deadly virus, calling it a global problem, not just something confined to West Africa. Doctors Without Borders, the group spearheading medical efforts in affected countries, says the fight is being lost, with treatment centers being reduced to places where people go to die alone.
6 months into the worst Ebola epidemic in history, the world is losing the battle to contain it. Leaders are failing to come to grip with this transnational threat.
In a separate speech in the U.S., the head of the National Public Health Agency warned the epidemic is spiraling out of control, with infection numbers rising fast.
There is a window of opportunity to tamp this down, but that window is closing. We need action now to scale up the response.
Frieden went on to say the answer to this outbreak comes down to three things: resources, technical experts in healthcare and management, and a global, coordinated, and unified approach. The World Health Organization, criticized for not acting sooner to bring the outbreak under control, reports that more than 3,000 people have been infected in West Africa, but this could rise to 20,000 and spread to more countries. Meanwhile, the UN Food and Agriculture Organization has issued a food security alert for Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Guinea, which are the countries most affected by the outbreak. Connie Kim, Arirang News.